In this problem, we're told that one side of one triangle is one unit. Could be 1 feet or 1 foot or 1 inch or 1 meter. But in this problem, the unit is not emphasized. The second side is 2. If the measure of the third side is also a whole number, then what is the measure of the third side? Okay, to solve this problem, we need to first of all understand the two properties of a triangle. That is, okay, the sum of two sides is always greater, must be, or is, I would say, is greater than the third side. That's always the case. Also, the second property, the difference, okay, between two sides is always less than the third side. Okay, please keep this or understand these two properties. That is really important. All right, now let's go ahead and apply these two properties to help us to find the third side of this triangle. Okay, first of all, the two sides given to us are 1 and 2. So that means the third side must be, or the measure of the third side must be smaller, less than 3. Does that make sense? Okay, so it must be less than 3. Talking about that's the third side. But again, the next property says the difference between the two sides is less than the third side. So the difference between 2 and 1 is 1. So the third side must be greater than that. Okay, what's also important is that we're given that the third side is also a whole number. So which whole number is less than 3 but greater than 1? Has to be 2. Okay, so the third side is 2 units long. So obviously this triangle is a isosceles triangle.